Hi everyone, this is the iPhone XS Max screen replacement. So what you guys are gonna see is the easiest iPhone there is to repair. This is iPhone's most expensive phone, the iPhone XS Max, and it's also the easiest to repair. And one quick thing before we begin, after you're done with this repair, you're gonna wanna keep the screen because this right here is just cracked glass. So you're gonna have two options what to do after this repair. So always remember to keep the screens. You could either refurbish it so you can reuse it again on somebody else's phone, or you can sell it off for money. So those are the two options. All right, so let's begin. So just with anything, with all iPhones, you're gonna need iPhone screwdrivers. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna take off the two screws on the bottom. So then what we're gonna do after that is we're gonna blow heat all around the edges right here. The reason why we blow heat is to soften up the water resistance adhesive that sticks the screen into the frame. So I'll heat it up with something like this. You can use a hair dryer if you're at home as well. You'll probably just have to blow hot air on it a lot longer than you would do with something like a heat gun like this. And then we grab like an opening tool just like this, and then we'll get in between the screen and the metal frame just like this. And then we can get something to open it up, like anything, like a gift card. You can even just go where your entry point is and just use the card and just go around the phone. All right, and there's the inside of the phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out these two shields right here. This one right here and this one right here. And we're gonna take all these screws out. There's not that many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Put it right there. See this? Put it right there. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug the battery first, which is this one right here. So you can see that's the battery. And then we'll just unplug what's coming out of the screen. So we'll unplug this, and then we'll unplug this one right here. And then we'll also unplug this right here. Follow it down. And there you go, just like this. So we'll set this aside because we don't need this anymore. This is the rest of the phone. We'll put it out of the way. All right, so what we're gonna do from here is we're gonna take out 3 screws. And then there's 1, 2, 3. So what that does is we can now lift this out like this, but we're not gonna just grab this and just peel it off because you don't wanna yank on this and then you're gonna have something rip up here, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna blow heat on this side right here. So what that heat allows you to do is it warms up the adhesive so that you can now peel the cables away from the screen. So you can use a little thing like this. You get under, you can peel up the mic like this. You can peel up this other sensor. And then there's this rectangle thing. I actually don't know what this is. And it'll come out of the slot just like this. And then now, let's be a little careful here. This mic right here. Now this thing will come out just like this. We can just set this aside right here. Then we can take out this little plastic thing right here. So So this is going to be our new screen over here. And as you see, this new screen does not come with this little plastic thing right here. So we're going to want to transfer this little plastic thing right over to here, because most of the time it doesn't come with that. So what you're going to do, once again, you're going to blow heat on this side, and then you can just, this thing will come out like this. And there's this piece that I'm talking about. So what you see now is pretty much everything that you're going to transfer, and we are exactly at the halfway point right now. So like I said before, remember, this is a good working Apple screen. You see right here? What do you see right here? Apple logo on the wire. That is freaking gold, okay? Refurbish this, reuse it again, or keep it and sell it off. You can sell it to a refurbishing company. Okay, so here is our new screen right here. So what we're gonna start first is with a little plastic piece. As you can see from right here, how it has that little cut off, the little cutout right here at the top. And we're gonna place it right here. You see how it fits like that? See that? And then we're gonna grab this and work in reverse. We're gonna get our little rectangle thing right there. If anybody knows what this little rectangle thing is, I really don't even know. See that rectangle thing? We're gonna put it in there where the little rectangle slot is at. Put that in there. Line up the mic where it's supposed to be at right here. And then fit this other piece right here. We're gonna swing this back around like this. And then now our screw holes are aligned. See right here? Screw holes are all aligned right there. And then we're going to start putting the screws back. All right, so now that we have our ear speaker, we have it all ready to go. So now all we have to do is just start plugging this stuff back in. We can get our phone right here and let's just plug everything in. So we'll start at the top right here. So the way that I like to do it is I flip the phone this way, and that way I can easily just put it in just like that. See how quick that is? Then flip this around, and then we can plug either one, whichever one you like. This one, and then this one. And then we could plug in our battery right here. All right, and then we can start screwing in this stuff right here. Let's start at the top. And then our two screws go right here. And there we go. And that, everybody, is the iPhone XS Max screen replacement video. Thank you guys for watching.